Hello, I'm Dr. Benita Thakur, ophthalmologist working as a glaucoma specialist since the last 20 years in Ahmedabad, India. Currently heading a specialized and a very exclusive department of glaucoma at Shelby Group of Hospitals. World Sight Day falls on the second Thursday of October every year. This year, World Sight Day fell on 13th of October. This day is being celebrated to raise awareness about diseases that cause blindness and visual impairment. The World Health Organization estimates that currently there are 285 million people in the world who have some degree of visual impairment or blindness. 1 in 3 blind persons live in India. It may surprise you to know that 80% of these patients are treatable or even preventable. Common causes of vision loss in our country are cataracts, glaucoma, refractive errors, and disorders affecting the retina. Glaucoma is a silent killer. Fortunately, it stays in families. The older a person gets, the more the risk of his developing glaucoma is commoner in patients with diabetes, blood pressure, persons with skin diseases who have been using steroid tubes since many years. In glaucoma, what happens is that there is a buildup of fluid in the front part of the eye. This damages the optic nerve which is present at the back part of the eye. The optic nerve is responsible for eyesight. Once the optic nerve is damaged, vision cannot be restored. So if a person develops glaucoma, he can be treated to save the existing vision. It is a long and difficult journey. The patient has to go through a battery of tests time and again, has to go through different kinds of treatments to preserve his vision. Please understand, glaucoma is not a curable disease but is controllable. A family that is motivated and supportive can help patients of glaucoma to preserve his eyesight till the very late stage of his life. The diagnosis rate of glaucoma is as low as 10%. Unfortunately, a patient would know he has a disease like glaucoma only after he has approximately 40% blindness. But we can help. To pick up the disease earlier, there are a series of tests and computers that we can use to detect glaucoma early. Some of the tests are measuring intraocular pressures with an aplanation tonometer, a simple test known as gonioscopy, where a lens is placed on the eye and the passages of the eye are seen to understand the kind of disease he has. The optic nerve of the eye can be examined on an instrument using a slit lamp. The patient's eyesight can be understood using a machine, a computerized machine known as a perimeter. The optic nerve can be very seriously analyzed using another sophisticated computer which is known as an HRT. The patient's cornea, which is the front layer of the eye, is measured because the thickness of the cornea would influence the disease and its treatment. According to the Glaucoma Society of India, there are 12 million people who are affected by glaucoma. This number is expected to rise to 16 million by 2020. The incidence of such age-related diseases increases with age. More and more vision changes occur as we get older. Knowing what to expect and when to seek professional care can help you safeguard your vision. An eye exam can also help uncover other disorders like diabetes, blood pressure, and even brain tumors. For early detection and treatment of such disorders, an annual eye check is a simple, low-stress way to keep tabs on the health of your eye and your eyesight. So stay informed and preserve your eyesight. Thank you.